Hello, today is a special day for me. I'm doing this video to show you how to make a shrimp ceviche. So let's start. Welcome to my channel and hope you like it and enjoy it. Let's see the ingredients right now. For the ingredients, we will have 4 Roma tomatoes chopped. I have to chop it in the chopper. 1/4 of white onion, olive oil, the best brand you can use, soy sauce. I'm using like 2 teaspoons of olive oil and half a teaspoon of soy sauce and half a teaspoon of some cilantro, not a whole bunch, just some, just to give color to the mint, salt and pepper. And the shrimp. The shrimp have to be cleaned. Make sure it doesn't have anything on the middle. You just clean it up, peel it, and it's the tiger shrimp, the big one. You can use it. I will show you how to cook because if you cook too much, it's too strong. So have to be. I will show you how to. The water have to be boiling and with a pinch of salt, and then when you put the shrimp on, that will stop to boiling. But when it start again to boiling, you have to turn it off and it's ready to use it. You will keep it on the. You will keep it to be cold and then chop it up. We will use three limes. We have to take the juice on, and let's start to boil the shrimp. Okay, to boil the shrimp, you will have water boiling on a pot, and then you will add just 2 pinches of salt, like, to give some flavor to the shrimp when it's cooking. So now it's ready to put the shrimp on. The shrimp is fresh, so I'm going to add the shrimp right now. It doesn't have to be overcooked. So the water will stop to boiling, and you have to wait for 1 minute or 2 minutes to restart the boiling. When the boiling restart to do it, you have to turn it off because it's ready. You don't have to wait too much time because if it's overcooked, doesn't taste the same. It's the same like the lobster. So we will wait for a little while to start the boiling again. Make sure you shake it to make sure everyone is on the water. Okay, let's wait to boiling. Will be like a minute or 2 minutes maybe to restart the boiling. You see, it's boiling again. When it is finished, you have to drain it and will be ready to be cold, and then I will explain to you what you will do with the shrimp first when it's cold. Right now it's boiling again, so you have to turn it off and drain. It's boiling. So let's turn it on and drain. So let's drain the shrimp. We are not going to use the water, just the shrimp. And then we will wait to be cold. So let's start chopping the onion, like small squares, not too big. I'm going to use like 1/4 of the onion, not the whole, not half, just 1/4. Let's see how much this will be. Because if you put too much onion, it doesn't taste. People doesn't like too much the onion, so you have to be careful with the onion. I'm just chop it up. So I'm not going to use the whole thing, just just this amount. That way you can check how much onion I'm using. See? Let's do everything. Okay. So the onion is ready. I'm going to put all the juices, like the olive oil, the soy sauce, and the Winchester sauce in a bowl. Here. I just mix it up. It's ready. And then I'm going to add the onion. And now let's start to chop the tomato. Okay, now we are going to chop up the tomato. The tomato will be in a, I have something on the oven, sorry for the ring, okay? I have like crackers. I'm doing crackers, so I'm going to chop up the tomatoes. Okay, let's do the tomatoes. Like a small square like the onion too. Okay, I'm using 2 tomatoes. Let's do it with this. The end. All depends for how many people. This portion will be like for 2 persons maybe. 2 persons that doesn't like too much. If you like too much, you can eat everything. Okay. We chop up the tomato. Okay, so the tomato is all chopped, nice. No big chunks. If there is a big chunk, you can chop it up. Okay, make sure it's nice and chop it. So my tomato is done. So I have the tomato here with the onions, the olive oil, the Winchester sauce, and the soy sauce. Okay. So let's chop it up the shrimp. Just chop it up for 2 times. Just small squares, 1 time, and then 2nd time. Not to chop it. People want to buy shrimp. So let's chop it up everything. Okay. So there is like big chunks. You have to chop it up everything of the same size. Okay. So the shrimp is chopped, ready to put not on the onions or on the tomatoes. You will put the shrimp on the lime juice, and you will keep it for 2 or 3 minutes there to that way finish it to cook, because the lime cooks too. So now I have here just for 2 or 5 minutes. Let's wait for a little while until I will mix it up everything. I have to chop the mint too. So now I have here the mint. Let's chop it up. I'm using less mint because the mint is more stronger than the cilantro. So I'm not using the same quantity of cilantro, just a little bit to give you a nice flavor. Just put it right here with everything. Then I just mix it up, the mint, the cilantro, the onions, and the juices. Okay. So it's almost done, okay? Now I'm going to add the shrimp with the juice, with the lime juice. And then I'm going to mix it up. So you can see it. I will show you another view because I'm going to add some salt and pepper right now. I have salt here. Just if you like salty, have to be careful with salt because remember you put some soy sauce and the sauce size give salty flavor. So now I'm going to mix it up. Let's see how it's my ceviche. You can see it looks fresh and ready to serve. Let's see how I serve. Some people like with nachos, with chips. From corn tortilla, the dark ones. You can use the color to give like a better color to your plate, and I will show you how to serve it. Let's try. Here is the ceviche. I have here the ceviche ready to serve. Let's see how many portions. I say that is for 2 persons. Yeah, perfect. It's for 2 people. And then that one is ready to serve. So that's one way you can serve the ceviche. You can taste it, it's so good and fresh. This is the appetizer, it's the nachos chips with shrimp ceviche. I just add a little paper on the top to give color and give like a special. And then this is the shrimp ceviche that you can taste it. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it, enjoy your ceviche, and thank you for watching my channel, and you can subscribe. I will have more recipes like the way I did it before. Thank you. My name is Figueroa. Enjoy it.